Have you ever wanted to describe an action that was already happening before something else happened in the past? That's where past perfect continuous tense comes in. In this video, we will break it down in the easiest way possible with clear examples and tips to make you sound like a grammar pro. So let's rewind time and dive into the world of the past perfect continuous tense. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to learn with ease. The last form of the past tense is the past perfect continuous tense. Videos on the first three forms are available on this very channel. Let's get started. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action in the past that had begun and had been going on for some time before another action took place in the past.
Okay guys, let's do some dancing. Let's show me my moves.
The past perfect continuous tense is used to express a repeated action in the past.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began before the time of speaking in the past. The action either stopped before that time or continued up to it. Here is a memory hack. The quickest way to differentiate between the present perfect continuous tense and the past perfect continuous tense. You must be thinking that the first two main tenses, that is the present tense and the past tense, are very easy to understand. You just have to look at the sentence, identify the verb which decides the tense, and then you know what is what. Let me caution you, the real challenge lies in understanding each form and applying the same knowledge of how each form of every tense functions. Only practicing exercises will enable you to know how much you have understood. Wait for the next video on the future tense, and thanks for watching this video.